Welcome to today's online class. Our topic today is bearing and distance using two bearing to locate a place. Working example. Example 2. A plane flies 400 km north and then a further 600 km on a bearing of 070 degree. Draw the sketch. Now the solution. First of all, you have to draw your cardinal point, which is very, very important as your starting point. Now we are told from the question that a plane flies 400 km north, which means the plane flies due north. It will go upward. The plane flies due north to another point. To another point here. You also draw your cardinal point. You also draw your cardinal point here for another point. Then from our question, they said, then a further 600 km on a bearing of 70 degree from this point. The plane now moves again on a bearing of 070 degree to another point. So let's draw the bearing. So this is the angle for that, which is it moves to another point on a bearing of 70 degree to this point. Now this is our point A, which is the starting point. And this is, and we have that the distance of A to B is 400 km. That is, the plane flies 400 km to this point B. And at this point B, the plane now further flies 600 km to another point C at the bearing of 070 degree. So this is the sketch for this problem. So let's move to example 3. Example 3. An aircraft flies 80 km on a bearing of 042 degree, then for 120 km on a bearing of 140 degree. Draw the sketch. Solution. Let's locate our point A. First of all, we'll draw our cardinal point. So this is our point A. Now go back to the question. They say an aircraft flies 800 km on a bearing of 042 degree at this point. So let's locate the angle for 42. So this is our angle for 42 here at this point. At this our point A. And we are given the distance, that the distance is 80 km. And this is the distance, 80 km to another point, to this point here. So from this point, from our question, they say at this point now, the aircraft moves 120 km on a bearing of 140. So let's draw the angle for 140 at that point. So this is our angle of 140. And this is, it now moves to another point downward here, to this particular point here, which is, let's call that place point C. Now, from our question, the distance, we are given that the distance is 120 km, which is from point B to point C is 120 km. And the bearing is 140. So this is the sketch for this problem. Let me explain more on it. Now from your question, we'll say an aircraft flies 80 km on a bearing of 042 degree. So first of all, you draw your cardinal point for the starting point, which is point A. Draw your cardinal point, and you know 42 is an acute angle. It's not an obtuse angle, because it's an acute angle. It's not more than 90. It's not even up to 90. It's less than 90. So this 42, our 42 being between the north and the east. North and east, which is here. So this is where our 42 will be. This is a bearing to another point B. So from this point B, we are told from our question that the plane moves again to another direction, 140 degree to another point C. So this 140 is an obtuse angle. And we know what obtuse angle means. Obtuse angle are angles that are less than that are greater than 90 but less than 180. So this 140 is less than 180. It's not more than 180. So it will fall between north and south. So it will be in between. Now we're going to take the angle from north and what? North and south. So it falls between here. So this is our 140. We'll take it down. And we are given the distance of this bearing that the aircraft fly 80 kilometers. So this is from here to this place is 80 kilometers. And from this point B to point C is 120 kilometers. So in your advanced class, when you get to SS2, they will teach you how to find the distance of A and B using the sine rule or the cosine rule. So at this your level, this is what you are asked to learn, how to do the sketch. So when you get to your higher classes, you will be taught how to find the distance of A and B using sine rule or cosine rule. Thank you for watching.